I'm Brian Rogers. I'm Regulatory Director in Access Legal. My background is about 30 years in the legal profession, working with lawyers, 20 years of which were working in practice as a non-lawyer partner. I was Chair of Regulatory Affairs at Manchester Law Society, brought me into contact with a lot of the regulators, so I've worked on working groups and things like that, so I very much know what's going on the regulatory side. For the last 10 years I've been working with lawyers in terms of consultancy projects and doing training courses and that sort of thing. So very much trying to help lawyers as much as I can, both in terms of content, webinars and also social media. Yeah, there's plenty of pressures at the moment. One of the biggest ones is anti-money laundering. The Solicitors Regulation Authority very much doing a lot of thematic reviews on law firms. I think any law firm that says we're never going to get touched by the regulator needs to wake up and smell the coffee. Even law firms that are not in the money laundering sector are now actually subject to a visit as well to make sure they've determined the right, the right status. So that's one of the biggest things. There's plenty of other issues that are going on as well, plenty of other thematic reviews, so competency and transparency, and also the annual review of the standards and regulations. But one of the big things that is hitting the news at the moment is in terms of lawyer ethics. And the post office scandal has certainly brought that out, and there's a public inquiry going on at the moment, and that's going to be looking at lawyer ethics in May, June time. And certainly the regulators are going to be looking at that. They are core participants in that inquiry, and so lawyers and their ethical conduct is going to come very much into the public domain, and also the press will be picking it up because, as usual, they like lawyers that are perhaps not doing the right things. So plenty to think about.